Assalamualaikum friends, today we will discuss how to fix Chrome being slow problem solved. If you find your Chrome become slower than usual, don't worry, you are not alone. Many users are reporting this annoying issue. You can easily solve your problem. Watch the full video. Before starting the video, I have a request. If our video is of any benefit to you, please give a like and comment on the video. Your like and comment will encourage us to make next video. If you are a new member of my channel but have not subscribed to my channel, then definitely subscribe and stay with us. You may run into the Chrome slower issue if you have opened too many tabs on your Chrome. Open Google Chrome browser. Click the menu button in the upper right corner. Select More Tools. Click Extension. Turn off the toggle on the lower right corner of the Chrome apps and extension you don't need anymore to disable them. Click the menu button in the upper right corner. Click Settings. Click Privacy and Security. Click Clear Browsing Data. Set the time range to cover from when you start to use your browser till now. Click Clear Data. Click the menu button in the upper right corner. Click Settings. Click Search bar, then type Hardware Acceleration. Then turn off the toggle next to the feature Use Hardware Acceleration when available. Click the menu button in the upper right corner. Select Settings. Click Reset and Cleanup. Then click Cleanup Computer. Click Find to check for harmful software. Click Reset and Cleanup. Then click Restore Settings to their original defaults. Click Reset Settings. Click the menu button in the upper right corner. Then select Help. Click About Google Chrome. Wait until your Chrome updates itself to the latest version. Click Start menu. Click Search bar, then type Task Manager. Open Task Manager. Right-click Google Chrome. Select In Task. If you are a new member of my channel but have not subscribed to my channel, then definitely subscribe and stay with us. If our video is useful to you, then like the video and share with your friends and family member. Restart your computer.